And before nga bumalik to Manila, I was able to witness the Christmas tree lighting at Cebu Puente Circle. Kasabay ng Christmas Tree of Hope lighting, bukas na rin ang Christmas Village at Food Park na pwede niyong pasyalan ngayong darating na Kapaskuhan. Like and share kung nagustuhan niyo ang video na to. Hanggang sa susunod na video,